Good morning students. In previous class I have explained you how to do the multiplication of polynomials. Now we will discuss about the division of polynomials. Now first of all, when we do the division, let's categorize into three categories: monomial, binomial and trinomial. So first I will explain you how to do the division when your divisor is monomial. Like in exercise 60, question number 1 says simplify a part p raised to the power 100 upon p raised to the power 2. Now students, you have studied law and in that you have learned how to do the division of it by applying the law. The same way you will do p raised to the power 100. Now 2 is in denominator, so when you send it to numerator it will be minus. So answer will be p raised to the power 98. So this is the answer of it. Now next part is m raised to the power 6 minus m cube. B part is m raised to the power 6 upon m cube. Again it is in divide, so power will be subtracted. M raised to the power 6 minus 3. Answer will be m cubed. Clear? Now let's do what will happen when you now you can see that in these questions they have a coefficient as 1. But what will happen when you don't have coefficient as 1? Then let's do the C part of it and then I will explain D. X raised to the power 20 y 5 upon x raised to the power 4 y cube. Now you can see in this question, in C part, you will see that there are two variables. So this variable will be this power will be subtracted from this, and this power will be subtracted from this with the same variable. So x raised to the power 20 minus 4 y raised to the power 5 minus 3. So next answer will be x raised to the power 16 y square. Clear all of you? Now D part. Now in D part you will see the coefficient. So 8 x raised to the power 9 y raised to the power 5 upon 2x square y cube. Now when you have coefficient, then you cut the coefficient directly, but please don't cut the powers. Powers will always be subtracted. So 4 x raised to the power 9 minus 2 y 5 minus 3. This is the second law of exponent. So answer will be 4 x raised to the power 7 y square. Clear? Similarly, in the remaining two parts, I will do the E part of it here. 49 a raised to the power 4 b raised to the power 6 c raised to the power 8 upon 7a square b square c square. Now again we will see in this case 49 is divisible by 7. So let's cut with the table of 7. So it is 7 times. Now we subtract the power. A raised to the power 4 minus a square, b raised to the power 6 minus 2, c raised to the power 8 minus 2. So answer will be 7a square, b raised to the power 4, c raised to the power 6. Now in F part, minus 6 raised to the power 3 upon minus 6 raised to the power 3, or we called as cube. In this case what we do, we just remember that this minus 6 is a base. So we keep it in the bracket. Now minus 6 cubed minus 3. 3 minus 3 is, all of you know, it is 0, and any base whose power is 0 is equal to 1. So this is the answer of it. Clear? Thank you students.